আছে কনস্টিটিউশনে যে 6 মাসের মধ্যে করা উচিত।
Kakuli goes to the Trinamool MP speaking, and she's saying that they have got assurances, and whatever the election commission decides, they will be abiding by that decision. Right now, Trinamool delegation led by Kalyan Banerjee, Sudip Bandyopadhyay, Shukhendu Shekhar Rai, and Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar is there. After meeting election commission members, Kalyan Banerjee is speaking right now. Kalyan Banerjee is saying that by hook or crook we have to do this election within 6 months, and there are Supreme Court guidelines. Whatever be the situation, they have to do the election. Today's discussion with Election Commission was constructive. 7 by-elections are pending in Bengal, and Trinamool-led state government is going to conduct the election as soon as possible. Kalyan Banerjee is saying that today's discussion was very fruitful, and they are hopeful about possible outcome. Trinamool Congress today went to meet the election commissioner. After meet with the election commissioner, the TMC leaders are out and telling that the election commission meet has turned fruitful.
টোটাল সারা ভারতবর্ষে 20খানা এরকম উপনির্বাচন করতে হবে, মানে 20খানা সিটে, তাই বিভিন্ন রাজ্যে যেখানে যেখানে
across the country 20 by-elections are pending, and by any means this elections have to be done.
ইলেকশনটা করার
We are only demanding 7 by-elections in our state of West Bengal, and we don't want a further delay of by-polls, because by hook or crook this by-polls have to be conducted within 6 months. TMC led the delegation today demanded early by-polls in West Bengal, keeping in mind Mamata Banerjee is still not an MLA. She has to be an MLA to reserve the seat, to reserve the position of Chief Minister of Bengal.
विधानसभा चुनाव क्षेत्रों में जो उपनिर्वाचन होने का बात है, जो मूल निर्वाचन का समय से 2 व्यक्ति को निधन हो गए और 5 बाद में हुए थे, तो ये 7 चुनाव क्षेत्र में 6 महीना का बीच में ये चुनाव हो जाने के लिए हम लोगों ने मुख्य निर्वाचन कमिश्नर को पास और उनको फुल बेंच को पास आवेदन किया। उन्होंने बहुत ध्यान से हमारे विषय पर सुना, और हम लोगों ने आशा करते हैं कि आज के हमारे जो विषय पर चर्चा हुआ, उसी लिए हमारा ये प्रतिनिधि दल, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ये फलप्रसू हुआ, ये फलदायक हुआ, और हम लोग आशा करते हैं कि हम लोगों ने जो विषय जिस तरह से चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के पास हम लोगों ने दाखिल किया एक स्मारक निधि का साथ, उन्होंने वो पढ़ के देखा और उन्होंने भी उनका अभिमत व्यक्त किया। उन्होंने ये भी बताया, उन्होंने एक स्टडी करते हैं, जो स्टडी में सारे राज्यों में कहाँ कौन जगह पर कोविड परिस्थिति कहाँ है। हम लोगों ने भी हमारे रिपोर्ट दिया। अप्रैल महीना में हमारे पश्चिम बंगाल में जो 33% थे, आज हमारे बंगाल में बिलो 2% आ गए। ये हम लोगों ने लिखित रूप से उनको दिया। तो हम लोगों को कभी ये वितर्क, ये आलोचना का समय हमारे मन में नहीं आया कि उन्होंने हमारे अभिमत के साथ कोई द्विमत पोषण करते हैं। तो हम लोग आशा लेके चलते हैं। आज ये आलोचना फलप्रसू हुआ। समय है, हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ये बताया कि 7 दिन का गैप देने के बाद 7 दिन का बीच में चुनाव का डिफरेंस हो जाए, तो हम लोग उसमें भी शामिल होने के लिए तैयार है। हिंदी में बोलो।
Just in 1 minute, I'll say that 6-member delegation of Trinamool Congress MPs, we met the Chief Election Commissioner with the full bench, Sushil Chandra, Rajiv Kumar and Mr. Pandey, and gave him a memorandum requesting for immediate holding of the elections that are due in the state. Out of these, 2 elections were countermanded due to death of candidates. 2 elections were caused due to death of candidates who won, and 3 have been caused by resignation of people. So total 7. We gave our logic that this is a time when Corona is at the lowest step. Daily infection rate has come below 1,000, and infection rate is less than 2%. This is an ideal time to hold the election. We requested the election commission to kindly hold the elections within 6 months so that the people of these 7 constituencies are not deprived of their franchise, and so that they get their elected representatives in the state assembly. The election commission gave us a patient hearing. They explained what their thinking was, and we are very hopeful after this discussion with the election commission. हाँ बोलो.
You see, we have also pointed out. Hello, why you stop? We have also pointed out that the provisions of the Representations of People's Act and the various judgments of the Supreme Court clearly lay down the position that election should be held in a vacant seats within a period of 6 months, and it is the entire election commission has agreed to that. Yes, that is our endeavor also, and we are the facilitator for holding the election, and it is, we do not want to see any constitutional crisis. They are considering the case with a, I think, very positively, and they are, we believe that they will take all steps just in accordance with law. That means provisions of the Act read with all Supreme Court judgments.
So by